How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video will be a group build. But before I start that, I want to thank all my subscribers and my supporters. Thank you very much. Alright, me and Chris Cortell at CP 101, Classic Plastic 101, we're going to be doing this kit right here as a buddy build. It is the IMC 125 scale 1948 Ford Coupe, and he's going to build. He says he might change his mind. I really don't know, but he thinks he's going to put the 427 engine in it. He might leave it stock. Other than that, I'm going to build mine as a old school hot rod, 50-60 style. I might put the slicks on the back, white walls. I will have the hubcaps on it, but it will chrome delete, which this kit don't come with the chrome anyway. I'm going to drill the holes where the chrome would have went, and I'm thinking about going a red oxide primer, and I think red wheels or so, and so I think that's pretty much what I'm going to do with it. Let me open it up and show you what's on the inside. And then this is the inside. You can see the chrome has been deleted off of this. For some reason they did not mold that in. It's a multi-piece body. And Chris has already put out a video that shows his kit. And you can see it's a multi-piece body. And I think originality it would have had one more grill insert here, which would have been 4 for the stock. But if I'm going to build a stock one, I'm going to build the Reveal, which I got a couple of them to build stock. And here's the roof section. The chassis has lots of detail to it. Firewall. Seats, that's the back seat. That's your front seats. That's your engine. It's got fender skirts if you wanted to do a sled. The convertible version would use those for sure. Gravel guards, dash, seats, engine parts, heater box, just rear end stuff. I don't have no decals for this, but here's the instructions, and they're about falling apart. They're so old you can see them rip right there. Yeah, they're in bad shape. Chrome's in good shape on this one. It's got the good glass, and it also has the white wall tire things. Let's see. That's for the convertible, and I do have the convertible kit too, and it's right here. This box is in bad shape. You can see in here, this one here's molded kind of a yellow color. I also have the tester's kit in this too, the reissue. But so that's what we're going to be building. Like I said, I'm not going to do it stock like on the box, but it's going to be a 50s 60s style custom, and so that's what I'm going to do with mine. And I'm sure everybody knows Chris at CP 101, but those that don't, but I'm sure they do, go check his channel out. This guy, he builds everything from figures to cars to ships to every sci-fi. It don't matter, every kind of model there is, he'll build it, and he's very good at it, very talented. So check his channel out, check out our buddy build, and if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, wait a minute, before I go, for my military guys like James and Joe K at Joe K Models, I picked up a couple of Japanese 148 scale airplanes, at it was an antique flea market type thing. This one here is a Nichimo, I guess that's how you spell it, 148 scale. Japanese plane. I don't know how to say Japanese stuff, but Nakajima KI-43-1 Oscar. Looks like it's got some good detail to it. Engine. The decals are old. Looks like about 3 markings there. But 15 bucks for this kit, and 15 bucks for this kit also. It ain't as vintage as that kit, but it's from 96. You can see here. Steel sealed. Nice engine detail. Canopies, everything's steel sealed. I think the decals on this one's a little more yellowed, but well, not a little more yellow, they're both yellow, but 15 bucks. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, I order a lot of my models from Spot Model, Model Roundup, International Hobby, but a lot of my vintage kits, 90% of my vintage kits come from antique shops, flea markets, or eBay. But mostly flea markets and antique shops. So great places to find vintage kits. So get out there and start looking. And please go over to Chris's channel, check out his channel, and we're going to be doing this buddy build. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.